she met Schiller. She knew again.
The cool part is not only did I meet him there, but it was also
The civil authorities have issued a fire warning for Chelan, WA, beginning at 3:41 p.m. and ending at 5:41 p.m. Chelan County Sheriff Wildfire Warning Wenatchee Heights, west end of Connery Road, north end of Jim Smith, Level 3 evacuation order. Evacuation routes can get blocked. If you don't leave now, you may be trapped, injured, or killed. Check local media or the Chelan County Emergency Management website and Facebook. Chelan County Sheriff Wildfire Warning Wenatchee Heights, west end of Connery Road, north end of Jim Smith, Level 3 evacuation order. Evacuation routes can get blocked. If you don't leave now, you may be trapped, injured, or killed. Check local media or the Chelan County Emergency Management website and Facebook. You will be kept advised as conditions change. Please monitor local radio stations and Chelan County Emergency Management Facebook for updates.
And a very happy birthday to Schiller, who celebrated just last week. That's nightly news for this Sunday, but keep it right here. Sunday Night Football is up next. I'm Hallie Jackson. For all of us here at NBC News, thanks for watching and have a great week.
The biggest stars start their morning with Today. This week, Stanley Tucci, Millie Bobby Brown, and Chris Pratt all here live.